Hello everyone, I am Jean Etok, and for today's video we will be doing our finals part 5 remote desktop. So first you need 3OS client, which is Windows XP and Windows 7 and Windows Server 2008. First, let's go to settings of Windows 7, go to network, change adapter 1 to internal network and name it TFT LAN 1. Same thing in Windows XP, network, internal network, and then undo it and start the Windows XP. So we will connect first the Windows XP and then Windows XP to Windows Server 2008. So go to my computer properties and then computer name, click network ID, next, and then next. This is the things you need to provide. First is to put your username and password and change domain to tpt.com. Click next and then create your computer name and computer domain should be tpt.com. Next, input again the username, password, and the domain. After inputting all, click finish and you must restart the server to make changes in the computer. So while Windows XP is restarting, we can open the Windows Server 2008 to see if the Windows XP reflects on the Windows Server 2008. So since it reflects, let's now proceed to Windows 7. First is to go to computer properties and click change settings and go to network ID. Click next next, and then provide the username and password, and the domain name should be tpt.com. Next, and provide the computer name and the computer domain. Click next and provide again the username and password as well as the domain that should be tpt.com. Then let's wait. So finish, click finish, and then you must restart the computer to make changes. So while restarting, let's see in Windows Server 2008 if the computer in Windows 7 reflects. So since it reflects, let's now proceed to control the Windows 7 and Windows XP using Windows Server 2008. So let's search Windows Firewall and then click allow a program through Windows Firewall. Check the remote desktop. After you check it, go to Windows XP, my computer properties, and then remote. Check the allow users to connect remotely, and then you must remember the Windows XP xpfinals.tpt.com. So in Windows Server 2008, go to remote desktop, and then here you can enter the full computer name of Windows XP. Connect, and then click yes. And you must enter the username and password first. Okay, so as you can see, you have now the control for Windows XP using Windows Server 2008. So let's try in Windows 7. Go to Properties of my computer, change setting, and go to Remote and click the third radio button. Allow connections only for computers running remote desktop with network level authentication. Then apply, OK. And then go to Windows Server and Windows Server 2008 and remote desktop. Again, you must enter the computer name of Windows 7. And then connect. Click connect. You must log in first. Click OK. And then that's it. You have the control for Windows 7 using Windows Server 2008. So that's the end for Finals Part 5 Remote Desktop. Thank you for watching.